Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to be using everything that we have learned about angles to help us solve the following word problem. Okay, as I said before, today we're going to be measuring baseball angles. Let's look at the problem. The playing field for baseball lies between the foul lines, which forms a 90-degree angle. Suppose that each of the four infielders can cover an angle of about 13 degrees on a hard-hit ground ball, and the pitcher can cover about 6 degrees. How many degrees are left for the batter to hit through? So the first thing I did was look at the picture that they gave us, and it shows each of the players. I circled each of the degrees that they can cover of the field, and I'm reminded that between the foul lines that this forms a 90-degree angle. So whenever I have a problem like this, I like to break it down into steps to help me solve it. Let me show you what I mean. Step 1. First, I rotated the picture so I could visualize the field as a 90-degree angle. Then, I organized all of the information that I learned from the problem. I took each of the four players of the infielders and then the pitcher, and I put all of their information of the degrees of the field that they can cover in a table like this. The first baseman can cover 13 degrees, second baseman 13 degrees, pitcher 6 degrees, shortstop 13 degrees, and the third baseman can also cover 13 degrees. Step 2. Use the information gathered from the picture to help set up the problem. First, we need to add up all the degrees that each player can cover. Take a minute to pause your video and set up this problem like this on your own. As you can see, I chunked out my addition problem so it was easier for me to solve. So I broke down 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 6. Then I did 13 plus 13, which gave me 26. 13 plus 13 gives you 26 again. Add these two numbers together to get 52. Then I brought down the 6. 52 plus 6 equals 58. All right, now we have all the degrees that these players can cover. Now we can move on to step 3. Solve. Like I said before, now that we've added up all the degrees that each player can cover, we can set up our equation to determine how many degrees are left for the batter to hit through. We know that this is a 90-degree angle, which is also known as a right angle. And we found all the degrees that these players can cover by adding up all the information that we pulled out from the picture. So we had 58 degrees. We can solve the missing how many degrees are left for the batter to hit through by setting up the following problem. 90 minus 58 equals x. X equals 32 degrees. So, going back to our original question, how many degrees are left for the batter to hit through? There are 32 degrees left for the batter to hit through. That was just one way that we can solve a multi-step word problem using angles. Good luck on the rest of your work.